Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you are new. So today I am gonna try a product that Instagram made me buy, and it is this product right here. I'm sure you guys would have seen this going around Instagram by now. It is the lip plumping tool, or whatever you guys call this. I honestly don't know why I bought this, and I guess I just wanted to see if it really works or not. And if I'm not wrong, it comes in 3 different sizes and I got this one. If I find the sizing chart or whatever shit, I'm gonna just put it right here so you guys can, refer to it. And yeah, so I'm actually gonna try it out and see whether it really works and what the hype is all about. You're supposed to suck on this for about 60 seconds, so I'm gonna set a timer for 60 seconds on my phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ouch. But I'm not too sure if you guys can tell, but this is what it has done to my lip. My lips look like it has been bitten and it's so bruised and it is painful. Okay, it is painful. Try sucking on something for a minute, and I can't believe people actually use this. I mean, I don't know why people actually use this. I don't even see myself using this, to be honest. I just wanted to try it out. I'm not even sure if this is actually safe for your skin and if it's good for the skin around your lip, because when you age, the skin around your lips is super tender and it's going to be the first to wrinkle up, and when you suck on things like this, it's going to damage the skin around the lips faster, and you're going to see the skin around your lips aging 10 times faster, if I make any sense. So I'm not too sure if this device is safe, and if you guys want fuller lips, just use the lip liner. Don't use this, because honestly in the long run it's going to damage your skin and you don't want that. This was definitely a failure, and I'm glad I only tried one. I still feel a little bit of a tingly feeling on it, which is kind of annoying. I'm gonna lather on some lip balm because it feels really weird. It feels like someone just bit me on my lips. So yeah, that's all for today's video. It's a really short video because I just wanted to try this product out right here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social media accounts, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.